Well, while drinking my coffee, something popped into my head, and I thought it would be a good idea to let people know about it if they are not aware of it. This is certainly a borrowed idea, or somebody already probably done it. I'm doing it again just to spread it across people who are not aware of it. The basic idea is to see the man pages with Zathura. Zathura is a PDF viewer, but with the help of little bit of other tools integrating with it, you can see Linux man pages with the help of Dmenu and Zathura. Okay, so the basic idea to show man pages in a temporary PDF viewer like Zathura for easy accessibility of the man page. That is the basic idea. To give you some sort of demonstration, let me go to my terminal, and I have a keybind. I ran i3 window manager for a long time, and that is a whole and sole one. So I have a bound key to access that particular facility. So in my case, it's a mod and a left arrow, which brings up the man pages like this. You see, this is an Dmenu interface, which is enlisting all the man pages. I can search it here, anything you want. Okay, and you know how Dmenu work, right? This is pretty familiar stuff. So if I select any of them, any one of them, okay, so if I press enter on it, it's getting open in Zathura. And look at the bottom of the screen, it just open a temporary PDF. The moment you close it, it will be vanished. So every time it will generate a PDF the moment you press enter to see the particular man page, right? This is a super convenient way if you don't want to bother the place where you are invoking it. So you can access it through Dmenu and get the man pages in PDF format via Zathura, because Zathura has got Vim key binding by default. So you can use pretty ordinary all those Vim keys. So it's become very efficient and easy mechanism to see the man pages. Instead of on terminal, you could do so like this. Okay, this is an alternative way of seeing man pages in with other tool, not necessarily replacing seeing the man pages in terminal, which most of the people do. I do personally, but this is yet another way. Probably it becomes convenient to some other people to seeing it with an external tool. In this case, it will be with Zathura. Okay, so basically behind the scene, it will create a temporary PDF file for you to go through the man pages. As simple as that. Okay, if I dismiss it, now what is the code behind it? Manual. So this is a simple. So this is just a one-liner. It will look for all the enlisting of man pages. Then it pipe it to Dmenu. Enlist 30 maximum. It depends how much you want to see on a particular enlisting. Then I extract out with the first column of that particular output. Okay, that's why I print $1. Then it pipe it to R, means it will show you. If I write man help and then grep, and the last option, it shows that it provides less pager width option. Okay, so no, I probably showed you the Okay, so the R option of xarg says it no run if empty. Okay, so it has to have some argument which is a man, then it has to be converted to a PDF. That's why you see the capital T and PDF. Then it was finally piping to Zathura. That hyphen after Zathura means it has to be written on input which is provided by the pipe. Okay, and the ampersand to put it on the background. So it should not block if you run it from the terminal. That is the whole idea. Okay, so this is pretty just a one-liner which might help you to see the man pages with a different tool instead of seeing it in terminal. Okay, I thought it will be useful to some people who want to play it out. Okay, this is certainly a borrowed idea. I'm saying it second time in this video. So you could use some other thing which at this moment come into my mind, but I'm not going to show you because it will divert the actual topic of this video. So I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.